Hello. My name is David Oisamoje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T Shirt Design. Welcome to another daily T-shirt design tutorial. I'm going to be using Canva for this today. It seems to look like you guys enjoy the Canva videos more, so I'm going to be sticking with Canva videos from now on. Well, if anyone wants to unsubscribe, I'm fine with it, but I feel if you guys have followed me to this stage, then you should follow me to the end. Then I have a quick announcement to make. From now on, since my subscription tab don't load quick, so I can't really give shout outs directly on time, what I'm going to be doing from now on is in a part of this video, in every video there's going to be a code. So you just watch the video. Once you see the code, then you can leave your honest comment, your very honest review about the video. If you enjoyed the video, if you did not enjoy the video, if there's anything you want me to add to the video, you leave your honest review about the video and put that code. Once you do that and I reply to that comment and I see that code and I see the exact code, then definitely in my next video I'm going to make you a shout out. I promise to make you a shout out in my next video. So please, if you understand me, just watch my video. Once you see the code, write it down. You can watch the video to the end, but once you see the code, make sure you leave your comment and put that code at the end or at the beginning. Just put the code and I will definitely give you a shout out. Please, this is what I'll be doing it from now on. I always want to give you guys a shout out. You guys deserve the best. You guys, you hear my voice. I want to also make sure people see your channels, see your name, know that you support me greatly. So that's what I'll be doing from now on. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to today's video. Please don't click off. Don't click off. If you want to learn how to create designs that make money, please don't click off. It's going to be a short video, 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. We're done. So please, I beg that you drop just 10 to 15 minutes of your time to learn, to enhance yourself, to make profit, to make money online, doing print on demand, creating design. So let's get straight right to it. So I'll be opening my Canva Pro or Canva. This is not Canva Pro, this is the free version of Canva. This is the free version. So I'll just click on create new design. I'll create custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. To create design, it's going to open a new tab. So what we are going to do now is going to wait for it to load. As you can see, they'll click on upload image or video. I'll go to my pictures, HR. So this is the design I'm going to be using. It's an us design, as you can see. So we'll just wait for it to load here. It's going to load here. We'll just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's a design I did from scratch myself. As you can see, this is me doing the design in Photoshop. So if you want me to create designs for you, just let me know, and I will send you my Instagram account. My Instagram account is at David Oisamoje. David Oisamoje. That's Osamoje spells O-I-S-A-M-O-J-E. David Oisamoje. So let me just know. Send me a DM and we can work towards that. But you can say I designed this myself. I designed every aspect of this design myself. Every aspect of this design I did it myself. So it's not like I copied it from somewhere. Yes, I got the us elements from somewhere obviously, but every other thing, every other effect, every other extra effect you see, I did it myself. So that's the way it works. So now that we have this loading, please just stick around. Once you find the code on this video, please make sure you leave your honest review and put the code at the end or at the beginning and put your review. Your honest review, it can be a bad review, it can be a good review, it does not matter. I'm here to be corrected. If there's something you enjoy, let me know. But remember to always put the code so you qualify for a shout out. And I'll give you guys as many shout outs as possible. As many shout outs as possible. Trust me, I'm going to do that. I'm going to give as many shout outs. All my videos from now on, I'm going to be giving you guys shout out. As long as that code you see, you put it and you put in the right code. Please don't put in the wrong code because, well, I won't say what will happen, but if you put the right code, you definitely get a shout out from me. So now it has uploaded, so I'll just click on it once. It will appear here, as you can see. So now this is just the first stage. There's 3 stages. I'll advise you watch it to the 3 stages and you are good to go. This is free Canva, so you can't design without the background. As you can see, the background is white and we don't want that white because we want to be able to put it on different colors. So I'll click on download, and once we're done downloading, then we'll go through the next stage, which is removing the background. the white background. So just click on download. It's going to prepare our download. So once our download is prepared, it's going to download over here. Designs are simple. They should never be complicated. They should be easy, 15 minutes, 10 minutes design, so that you can create at least 10 a day and you are good to go. As you can see, our download is being made now. So now it's done. We just click on this and show folder. This is our design. As you can see, this is our design. So now we just right click, open in Photoshop. We are using Photoshop to remove the white background. We're going to be using Photoshop to remove the white background. So now that we have our design in, we just click on this folded paper. It create a new layer. It says create a new layer, so just click on it once, then click on your layer 0. Please watch out for the code. The code will come anytime. Just watch out for the code. Use those codes to leave your comment and you get a shout out on my next video. That's what we'll be doing from now on. You guys are my family. I love you guys. I love your time. I cherish the data used to watch my videos, and I will appreciate you guys by giving you a shout out. So now that we have that, we just click on this magic word 2. It's like a magic stick, so you just click on it once and you click on this white to eliminate the white background. So just eliminate the white background with that. Just eliminate the white background. So now that we've done that, you can see we still have it here, so we'll click on this, delete that, we delete that. I think that's okay. We have it on the A2. We delete that. So now we see our design is good to go. Our design is good to go. So the next step is for us to save it. We're just gonna save it. Just gonna save this. Save as. Just save it as HR2. Save it as PNG. That's the most important. You always want to make sure you save it as PNG. Then click on save and save. So now when we are done saving, we'll go on to the third stage. Go on to the third stage. So you can see our design has not taken us just about 7 minutes. It's not complicated. Designs are never complicated. We should never make our design complicated. We should never make our designs complicated. So once this is done saving like it has done now, we'll just go back, come to pictures, mockup, which is the third stage. You always want to put your design in mockup just in case you're promoting it on social media. In the future, I'm going to make a video on how to promote on social media, but in the meantime, I just want to focus on the designs, how to create the designs, and you uploading it on Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. Make passive income doing this, and that is the focus right about now. So I'll just double tap on this. Your design goes here. I'll delete this design. This is my yesterday design, if you've noticed. So I'll go back. I'll go to download HR. So this is it, HR. So that will just bring it into this space. We drag it into this space. Now we have to reduce it because you can see it's quite large. So to do that, we're going to press down 3 buttons together. Our Alt key button, Shift key button, our left mouse key button. And we'll drag our mouse inwards to reduce, outwards to increase. So we'll just drag this inwards. Then when we're done, we press enter. Come to file and save. Now when we go back to the t-shirt, we should have it like this. As you can see, it's on our shirt. On our shirt. So now we just want to change the color of the shirt, because if we remove it, it goes to black. So we just change the color of the shirt to something we would enjoy. So we'll just find a good color. Let's just find a good color. So just find a good color. Let's just keep going. Okay, this looks good. Looks good. So I'll just click on OK. And now I'll save this. I'll just save this. Just save this. Save. I'll save it as HR full. So now that we have that is the touch stage completed. And now we can just go on to Match by Amazon, Redbubble. My two best sites are Redbubble and TeePublic. Those are my two best sites, Redbubble and TeePublic. So if you want to start with that, fine, but I would advise you to open all. So you just open on and upload your designs. In no time you should start getting sales. So to your right you see the playlist. I would advise you watch those playlists if you want to learn more on how to design t-shirts that sell. Please watch this playlist. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day.